Namaste friends, I Vinit Kumar Misra welcome you in online Hindi class, and this is again the continuation of our script that we are learning. So far we have done throat group, palate, retroflex, and today we are going to do the dental one. So dental group is pronounced with the help of tongue and teeth. The sound is being produced from here with the tongue and teeth. That is the dental one. So you will follow me. I am writing, and I will show you how to write these later in steps. So the first one is dental. Dental group of the first letter. So here. So dental 1, 2, 3. This is ta, ta. Will you pronounce ta, ta? And this one again non-aspirated, ta. Okay? So the combination is the same, like this would be ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu. Then we have 3, te, tae, to, tao, tang, ta. So each and every consonant will be combined in the same way. So this is ta, ta, ti, ti, tu. This is tu, tu long u, 3, te, tae, to, tao, tang, ta. So this was the first letter and its combination. So okay. So if we write with the letter, for example, this is what the first letter is ga with one stick up, one stick down, that become o, and this is what? This is ta with long e. So this will pronounce as a goti, goti. So this one is aspirated kha, one stick up, that become k. Then I am writing this one ta. So the pronunciation would be khet, khet, not kheta, because you know that if a word ends with the consonant, we don't pronounce the inherent vowel of that particular consonant. So this would be wrong to pronounce kheta. We were saying khet. Khet means farm or land, or you can say field, whatever. Okay, good. So moving to the next, this is non-aspirated. Second one would be aspirated. So a step would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is tha, aspirated. I am sure you know about the aspiration, which take long breath to pronounce. So tha is non-aspirated, doesn't take a long breath. This take long breath, tha, and you feel that air is coming out. So this is tha. Same way, the combination would be same way, like tha, tha, thi, thi, thu, thu, three, the, thai, tho, thou, thang, tha. So with the words, if you make a word, it might not there might not be any meaning of the word, but let's have a look. So this is ga, long a, then I'm writing this letter with the vowel a. So this will be pronounced, this is ga with a, ga, this is tha with a, tha. So this would be ga tha, ga tha. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Moving to the next, ta, tha. The next one is da. So how do you write? 1, 2, 3, and this is da, non-aspirated, da. So the combination of these with the vowel would be the same as before, like da, da, di, do, dri, de, dae, do, dao, dang, da. So this was the combination with the vowel and consonant. Each and every vowel with the consonant will be combined in the same way. So there is no any specific way to combine every consonant. So that's, please keep in mind. Now I am going to give you some word with these letter da. So have a look. If you write, this is the first letter, da with long e. This become D. I am sure you must be remembering these later. This is ja with a small e. So this becomes G, DG. And then I am writing this vowel symbol itself. So this become this one, D, G, A. One more thing here I would like to add you, that if an consonant has already one vowel symbol, you cannot write two vowel symbol. So the second one has to be vowel itself. So in this example, the with a small long e, ja with a small e has already a vowel symbol, G. So only one consonant, you cannot write two vowel symbol. So next one has to be the vowel itself. So this is A is a vowel. So we are writing vowel itself instead of vowel symbol. So this becomes DGA. DGA means please give. Please give. Another word that we can write. So the first one is ga, letter ga with one stick up, one stick down. This is the O, go, and then this is the with a long e. So this will become godi, godi. Godi is lap, like mother's lap. Okay, so these are the few examples with the, and combination will be the same as I have told you earlier. Moving to the next letter, that would be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is dha, aspirated, which take a long breath to pronounce. So this is dha. Okay, so the combination would be the same like before, dha, dha, dhi, dhi, long e, dhu, dhu, long u, dri, de, one stick up. Then we have dhai, which has two stick up, dhai, dho, Dhaw, dhang, dha. So this was the combination of dha with the vowel symbol. Okay, let's have an example. So this is the first letter that we just learning today, dha, and then this is ga with symbol a. So this become what? Dhaga, dhaga, dhaga. Dhaga means thread, string, thread. Okay, so this was the example. You can make many more words. There might be not meaning, so that you have to practice your own. Moving to the next letter, and that would the last letter of this group would be na, and one of the most important letter. There are so many common words and infinitive verb end with na. So this is na. 1, 2, 3. This is na, and this is also called a nasal consonant. The reason is that because the sound is being produced from the nose. So na. So again the combination would be the same: na, na, ni, nu, nri, ne, nae, no, now, nang, na. Once again I am repeating for you: na, ni, nu, nri, ne, nae, no, now, nang, na. So these were the way of pronouncing these letters. So if you write a word with this, the first letter is cha, second letter, that letter without just learn it, na. So this become cha, na, chana. How do you pronounce? Chana. Chana means chickpea. Chickpea. Okay. If you write ga, na, Gana. This is Gana. Gana means song as a noun and also to sing. Gana. So you can make so many words, and every verb end with na. That is the infinitive form of verb. So final letter I am writing in order of this group, which is dental group. What group? Dental group. So dental group we write like this: ta, tha, da, dha, na. So again I am pronouncing for you: ta, tha, da, dha, and na. So these were the script with the dental group. I hope this is beneficial for you. I am sure you are enjoying our lesson, and please, if you really liking learning from me, like and subscribe it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.